I've got to cut 32 of each of these 3 different pieces that I have on my diagram here out of 6x6s. And I've set up a system on the SCM slide saw to make it super quick and efficient. First, I'll bring over the long 6x6 and place it against the main fence on the slide, which is perpendicular to the blade, and then move it over so I can trim off just a tiny bit to make sure that that end has a perfect 90-degree angle. And then I can pull it back and butt it up against the other fence that I set, and then push it through and cut the piece to the right size. And then I can move that piece back to the second fence, which is set up at the right angle and with a stopper so I can butt it up and then push it through to cut it down to the final dimension. And then I can set that finished piece on the back of the saw, come back to the front one, and grab the other piece that's there, move it back to the second fence so that I can then push it through and cut the angle on it as well. And then all over again, we grab the longer one, bring it to the front, move it over, trim it off to 90 degrees, push it through so it butts against the fence, cut it to length, bring it back to the second one, and then trim off the angle cut. Then grab the other piece, bring it back to the second one, trim off the angle cut again.